situation na may perceived na problema, no, between the Duterte and the Marcoses camp, ano yung advice mo sa mga tao who are wanting and who needed to hear your voice, no, to bring back the people together?
To all Filipinos now listening to me, punta kayo kay Marcos lahat. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyari. Mga Pilipino, nakikiusap ako. Punta kay Marcos, wala, hindi kami nakipag-contest kay Marcos. Never. Wala kaming bilyon, trilyon na nakadeposito sa kung saan ang bangko.
Magpunta.
Sa utak lang yan na Trillanes.
Mayor, tinuto nakapal na magkaso po kang Trillanes?
Ano?
Kung file ng kaso kay Trillanes, nakapal na po?
Wala pa akong natumbang ako sa motor.
Nag-file na ba yung kaso kay Trillanes after the Quadcom hearing?
Kaya nga, alam mo yung pinapakita mo ng bangko, fake talaga yan. Hindi ka makakuha ng... Kung magkuha ka ng sa bangko ng papel, bawal rin yan. Ngayon, kung balandra mo, bawal rin yan. Ipinasok mo doon sa Quadcom, use of falsified documents, another crime yan. Alam mo, hindi ko na ano kasi...
Mayor, yung sinasabing disbarment daw laban kay Vice President at impeachment against the VP. Ano comment yun doon?
Sinday?
Opo.
Ay, kaligayan lang, hindi impeach nila. Total, malayo pa man yung 2028. Di magpasyal sa mga pasyal.
So she's running in 2028 for president.
Hindi, wala siguro.
Sabi mo kasi malayo pa ang 2028. Therefore, yun ang conclusion.
Kaya pa, malayo pa. Doon na tayo, pagdating natin, mag-decide tayo kung tama na yung, sabi ko nga kay Inday, tama na yung Vice President. Total, tatay niyan, Presidente man. Okay na yan.
Mr. President, have you ever, there were reports that there were threats sa buhay ni Inday before sa mga among his guards, and then did she ever confer with you or talk to you about it?
We do not talk about politics, Inday.
No, not politics, security.
Security, kaya ni Inday. May security yan si Inday. Huwag kang maniwala, wala yung security.
Being the father, sa tingin mong gibat ito, nakita niyo siya na she was seeking for help and you were there. I suppose you were still awake that time. Basta ito mong feeling na and you were there. I suppose you were still awake that time. Basta ito mong feeling na yun.
Lingaw.
Minisukol.
I am entertained. Wala man nangyayari sa anak ko. She is not hurt. Of course, there's yung hearing sa confidential funds niya. Bakit man ako magsabi, matukotin mo ako, i-imbestihan mo ako confidential fund? O sige, talungin mo ako. What did you, sige, you ask me. I'll give you the correct answer.
What happened to your confidential fund, supposedly, without?
Well, it was spent properly.
But why is she not answering the Congress daw?
Confidential nga eh. Bakit patawagin ng confidential kung...
Pero yun kasi yung issue na ginamit.
But you kept mum about it all along.
Hindi, lahat yan sila, pati yan si Martin Romualdez, wag binabot ng bilyon yan. Kaya, mausapan lang naman. Maybe one of the things that I will do next is, of course, this time I would be appealing to every Filipino lahat na. Once and for all, buhay man yung kuwa, hindi man nasunog ang building nila, pero lang kung sunugin andyan man yan, buksan natin lahat. Huwag na lang muna yung ibang ngayon yung this year lang. Tapos pagkatapos buksan natin next year. Buksan ng Congress. Ang congressman, hinamon ko ba sila? To open your books. Ang sagot naman ito ni Trillanes, open your bank account. Makihati ka pa sa putang ng pera ko. You know, sa bangko, huwag ka magtanong kung saan ko nakuha yan. Nakuha ko yan sa hold up, nakuha ko yan sa smuggling. Wala ka nang pakialam. Nandiyan yan sa bangko. Pero ito, simple lang, opening of the bank na libro. Hindi naman bangko yan eh. So,
Pero bingi man sila, Mayor, sa...
ang hindi talaga ino-audit, telling you now, without batting an eyelash, ang hindi ino-audit, Office of the President, pati Office of the Speaker of the House. Hindi ka magtanong ka ng witness. Katabi ko, speaker man yan, no? Tanongin mo ba kung may malakas ba na sira ulo dyan sa audit na mag-audit? Audit lang yan.
So, Mayor, you are saying that you are open to opening the books of how she spent the confidential fund.
Of course, yes, to. Nandiyan, inaano lang nila yan. Hindi pa yun na careful masyado yan. Alam kasi niya. Kaya ingat.
So, why can't she just explain it, Mayor?
Ine-explain na nga iha. Sa document nasa documentary ano pa. Ngayon pag na-present na lahat sa COA, kumpletuhin mo na yung COA audit namin.
But that was the reason that Attorney Zulaika was cited for confidential.
That's the reason why. Why should it be an interference kung sinabi ko, wag mo muna akong ipa-audit dito, tapusin mo yung audit doon, yung papilis nandyan yan. What is wrong with that? What is contemptible sa...
In a word, how would you describe all these procedures from the Senate, the Congress calling you and your children for investigation?
No, I cannot talk for the Senate. The Senate, it's a bit formal.
Well, at Congress,
Tanungin mo si Bibot. Si Bibot man nandun. Bakit ako tanungin? Di man ako congressman.
how do you see this now?
Siya.
Ikaw gani ang gipangutana. Kasi mo tanaw aning ginahimo karon sa Congress, no? It's you,
Guwapo
Vice President.
Bibot Alvarez.
Ikaw gani imong feeling.
Kaya nga kaya sagot kita eh.
Ikaw lang.
Bugwa kang tagaan ni Ron, no?
Layo. Basta tayo feeling, Mayor, nga marag personal naman ni inyo, ha?
I used to think a holiday one-stop shop was a myth until I found Michael's. Oh, I need those.
Personal naman ni inyo, ha?
Para kayo na ba, no? You are yung pretended naivety ninyo klaro masyado. Alam mo naman yung politika yan. Alam ninyo walang oposisyon, walang liberal. Kaya nga ako naman, I'm aghast na ang nila Marcos pati Duterte. Bakit Duterte? Wala man kami opposition kami in the sense that we can talk against them on many issues. Pero hindi sabihin mo na, pero ang labas ngayon, walang iba yung, wala yung nasyonalista, liberal, ako po, PDP. But, kami nga yung ano, ewan ko ba?
So you're the opposition now.
Hindi man, but we will talk about issues against government. For, if it is for the people, if it is for the interest of the people, and against, if it is not good for the people.
So are you open for those other politicians who would come in and join your group?
Wala mang matapang na politician yan, bebot lang man.
Sir, there are...
Who will join you? Walang matapang?
Ha?
Walang matapang na politician who will join you?
Mas grabe ito, bebot kay yung military, paanuhin na niya. Military, wake up.
Sir, there are observers no from other countries.
Hindi ganito yan,
There's a silent martial law in the Philippines.
Correct. Yan. Ang tao ngayon wala nang mapuntahan. Kasi kay July ka. Biro mo, there was an order at a certain point yung the other night, dadalhin siya sa correctional institution. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme Court kasi separation of powers. Lalo na Malacanang kasi tambalos-los bata niya. So itong tao walang matakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance na bali lang, hindi lang na-sprain. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can... it's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court. Unless you dala ka ng kaso doon, matagalan yan. Next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So, it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang presidente na in face of so many errors there, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, fractured governance. It is only the military who can correct it.
Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka ng sundalo niya, mga opisyal dyan, sinabi nang magpunta ka. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig kong sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila, doon sa bukid, maglinis ng barel, magsabi lang sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila magkudita na magpunta yung tangke digira na sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor? Hindi
Getting
sila
out means
I don't know, basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan ano, basta sabi lang ng military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
silent protest, not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest, military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yan. Will not take orders from the commander-in-chief.
Ano?
They will not take orders from the commander-in-chief. That's it.
Hindi, sabihin na nga niya, Sir, wag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo naman yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS, PhilHealth, 89.
Ito doon sa Amo survey.
Pinagbili nila, saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin, sold amounting to 129 billion.
Prove trust without the fuss with Vanta AI. Complete security questionnaires up to 5 times faster.
129 billion. At least sa Congress, kung may resolution, tapos i-bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila lang nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila lang nakaalam nito. Walang participation ang people dyan, pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro ninyo.
Pero Mayor, parang play safe naman ang
How do
military
you describe
ngayon.
the military?
Do you think si Browner po ay mag-react nito?
Can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Browner will react?
When ito, pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
Oh, kasi may statement siya, dapat partisan, dapat parang stay put lang yung military. Wala naman siyang sinabi, no? In fact, si Inday na nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung Chief of Staff. Paano daw makakatulog yung AFP Chief of Staff?
Bilyon-bilyon yung nawawala.
Matagal na siyang natulog. Alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang ang hindi. Ang mga polis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdameo nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung sip-on mag-usap kami, yung sip-on Lagdameo magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagatulo yung sip-on niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get a correct and accurate or true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would...
The right to be heard, the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan. Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Karaming sabi, ganon, tantrum. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, nag-delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong lang. Mr. Military, give us that right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and